In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save draw.io diagram in Confluence. We'll walk through a clean, reliable way to save your work so your diagram updates correctly on the page and is visible to your team. Start by navigating to the Confluence page that contains the diagram you want to update. Enter edit mode by selecting the edit option at the top of the page. You'll know you're in edit mode when the editor toolbar appears and the page content becomes clickable and editable. If you don't see the edit button, make sure you have permission to modify the page or that you're logged into the correct space. Next, find the draw.io diagram embedded on the page. Click it once to select it, then choose Edit. This opens the draw.io editor, either in a dialog or full screen, depending on your site's configuration. So take a moment to confirm you're working on the correct diagram version by checking the diagram name at the top of the editor. Now, make your changes, add shapes, adjust connectors, update labels, or tweak the layout. Use the built-in alignment and grid tools to keep everything neat and readable. As you work, you can press Ctrl or Command plus S to trigger an internal save, but remember that your changes won't appear on the Confluence page until you finish and insert. When you're happy with your updates, click the Save or Save/Insert button in the Draw.io editor. The wording can vary slightly, but the action is the same. It writes your changes back to the diagram on the page. Don't use the browser's back button here. Always use the editor's save or save/insert to make sure nothing is lost. After you confirm the save, the editor will close, just returning you to the Confluence editor with the updated diagram now visible in the page body. You're almost done. Like back in the Confluence editor, review the page to make sure the diagram looks correct at the size you want. If necessary, you can click the diagram to adjust its display width before finalizing. To make your changes live for everyone, select Publish at the top right. On some sites, this button may read Update, but the result is the same. Your page is saved, and the new version of the diagram becomes visible to viewers. If you leave the page without publishing, your changes may remain as a draft and won't be seen by others. That's it. You edited the page, opened the diagram, saved and inserted your changes, closed the editor, and published the page so your team can see the latest version.